Mountain rum is good.
Mountain rum is good.
Why? Ballet. Bien. Ballet.
The cloud also is
Cloud. Best. Slap.
Slap.
Best. Oh yeah, yes. Okay. Bye, Mom. Thank you very much.
I will harvest rice, and I think it's one of the things which I have to do, because as I know that rice for India, it's like a bread for Russia.
First time in your life, yeah?
Of course, it's my first time. I had no idea where rice comes from. They have a great opportunity not only see how rice is growing, but actually harvest it, and I'm so excited. I just need to...
Yeah, you go without sleep. Yeah, go without sleepers rather.
Yeah. I think I need to do like this, right?
Ready? Go.